A Pakistani prisoner microbiologist, Dr. Khalil Chishti, has been in jail in India for 20 years in a murder case. All these years, as the case dragged on, he's been out on bail. However, recently he was convicted and put in jail. The family, meanwhile, fights on a lone battle.
They say nobody ever returns empty-handed from the Ajmer Dargah. As Jamil Chishti arrives at this holy shrine, all he's praying for is justice for his brother Khalil, a Pakistani prisoner in India.
पाकिस्तानी होने की वजह से ये सब भुगत रहे हैं। 3 महीने हो गए मैंने उनकी शक्ल नहीं देखी है। क्यों? और वो बाहर किससे बुलाऊं उनको? 1 किलोमीटर आना पड़ता है स्टेशन के ऊपर और देख करके मैं डिसाइड होता हूँ, मैं रोता हूँ, वो भी रोने लग जाते हैं।
इसमें भी पाइप पी रहे हैं। 8-year-old Dr. Khalil Chishti, a microbiologist from Karachi, has been at the receiving end of the India-Pakistan tensions for nearly 20 years. Back in 1992, he came to Ajmer to see his ailing mother, but got implicated in a murder case. As the case dragged on, Dr. Khalil remained out on bail, but he was never allowed to visit his family in Pakistan. Eventually, in January this year, after a delay of 2 decades, a sessions court convicted him and threw him in jail for life, and even denied him bail because he's a Pakistani national.
हमारे मन में तो यही अफसोस होता है कि वो बेचारे अब हम भी उनके बच्चे हैं, हमारे साथ वो रहते हैं, खुश हो जाते हैं, हमारे बच्चों के साथ देख के खेल के उनके साथ खुश हो जाते हैं, मगर अब अपने बीवी बच्चों से अगर इंसान दूर होता है तो कोई और किसी और का कॉम्पेंसेट तो नहीं कर सकता।
A heart patient for 3 decades and unable to walk unaided, Dr. Khalil had to be carried to jail on the shoulders of other people. Human rights activists say making an old and ailing man suffer beyond what he has already gone through is inhuman. They argue for his release, not only for the sake of justice, but for the sake of humanity.
कोर्ट ये कह रहा है कि हम पाकिस्तानी नागरिक होने के कारण नहीं छोड़ सकते हैं, जबकि ऐसा कोई प्रोविज़न नहीं पेनल कोड में कि दूसरे देश के नागरिक को हम अलग ढंग से देखें, अपने देश के नागरिक के अपराध को अलग ढंग से देखें। तो ये अपने आप में बहुत बड़ी नाइंसाफ़ी है।
उनका जो अभी वर्तमान में उम्र है और उनकी जो बीमारियां हैं, गंभीर जो फ्रैक्चर्स वगैरह हैं, और उनका जो यहाँ एग्जेम्पलरी बिहेवियर चल रहा है, उसको देखते हुए उन्हें कुछ रियायत मिलती है तो डेफिनेटली नियमों में है प्रावधान तो वो जरूर मिलनी चाहिए।
In these 19 years, Dr. Khalil has missed the weddings of his 2 daughters and the birth of several grandchildren. His family here is worried that he may not survive much longer, and they say his final wish is to return to Pakistan so that he can see his children again and die peacefully. For centuries, the Sufi shrine has symbolized compassion and brotherhood beyond all boundaries of religion or nationality. And as Khalil Chishti remains behind bars in the city of the Gharib Nawaz, one hopes the spirit of this dargah will inspire the government not to hold ordinary citizens hostage to the tensions between India and Pakistan. In Ajmer, Rajan Mahan for NDTV.
NDTV's cricket app. Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.